Thank you for your interest in Dell and welcome to our virtual manufacturing tour. When we started Dell, I challenged our manufacturing teams to think differently and create a process that would provide delivered-to-stock speed with build-to-order efficiency and effectiveness. This has become an integral part of the Dell Direct model. What this means for you is that we don't build anything until you order it, which allows us to deliver exactly the product that you want with the support you need for the lowest total cost of ownership. I hope you enjoy this virtual tour, which highlights the best practices of our global fulfillment network. And thank you for choosing Dell.
Dell's global fulfillment network consists of facilities strategically located across the globe. This capability includes manufacturing centers for assembly of custom-configured computing products, fulfillment centers to ensure rapid delivery of dissimilar items and to provide additional technology rollout services. This is Dell's global fulfillment network. All of Dell's manufacturing centers use the same processes enabled by the same systems and are measured the same way. This ensures consistent award-winning quality across our global network and allows us to identify and implement best practices. Now, let's see how these manufacturing centers operate. Our build-to-order model was designed to build your order exactly as you need it. Your order is routed to the manufacturing center closest to your ship-to destination. At that point, the order is electronically transferred from Dell's order management system to the manufacturing scheduling system, where all orders, including yours, are sequenced into the production schedule every 2 hours. Every manufacturing center across the globe has a network of Dell servers that act as the brains of the facility. They receive orders from our order entry system. The servers keep track of work in process, and associates serialize parts with the unique serial number of each machine. Unique software images are stored for download onto customers' machines as they move through the process. This portion of Custom Factory Integration, CFI, allows our customers to eliminate software installation upon receipt. Our build-to-order process generates requests for material required for customers' orders every 2 hours, during which the material is delivered to the factory and built to order. Since there are no warehouses, part inventories are low. Our process is unique in that we serialize at the front of our line. A unique identifier, the computer's name or service tag number, is created and printed onto a label in both human-readable and machine-readable barcode format. The service tag number is used throughout the life of the machine and is a basis for our quality system. Scanning the service tag indicates to our teammates which components to place into a reusable protective container or tote. By the time the tote has traveled the entire length of the kitting line, all the parts required for the customer's unique machine are in place. The last step of the kitting process is matching a chassis with the parts in the tote. The first action after the completed kit arrives in the build area is to scan the service tag. This scan delivers unique instructions based on our customers' requirements to the builder's control panel that guides them through the assembly process step by step. As our teammates assemble the machine, they can scan the serial number of each part to associate the part serial number with the service tag number of that machine. This simple act allows Dell and our customers to have a complete history over the life of the machine, enabling a process to drive quality accountability throughout the supply chain. Since the system service tag number is tracked throughout the manufacturing facility, the brains of the facility take over and test the machine to ensure all components are present and operating as expected. After this phase, the customer-requested software, including custom images, is downloaded onto the machine. Final testing finishes the process, and the machine is then transported to the boxing area. This efficient use of machine-to-machine communication, coupled with several patented process innovations, ensures a consistently high-quality product. After the machine has been built and tested, it is transported to a boxing line and the service tag is scanned upon arrival. The machine is securely placed into a shipping box, which travels down a conveyor where additional customer-specified parts are scanned as they are placed inside the box. This highly engineered global process ensures we deliver exactly what the customer expects. The box is then sealed and sent either straight to shipping or to an order accumulation area. While all machines to complete a customer's order are started at the same time, they may not finish at the same time due to process variability. To ensure we ship a complete order to our customers, we stage finished machines until the final machine is done. The entire order is released to shipping for delivery to our customers through a merge center. Dell operates merge centers across the globe to perform an in-transit match of the customer systems with additional items to complete their order. For example, monitors, printers, or computers manufactured at other Dell locations are combined into one shipment. Dell manages the complexity of this network so that our customers get exactly what they ordered when they need it.
Hi, I'm Kevin Rollins, and thank you for taking time to learn about our global fulfillment capabilities. We've designed them with you in mind, so that you can build computer systems to meet your unique requirements in the most efficient way possible. We'll continue to evolve our business processes to ensure we meet and exceed the high expectations of our global customers. Please let us know how we can make your experience with Dell the best it can be. Thank you.